Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richer Cut Professional. Today, the unique of haircut, I bought back some concave layers. Concave layers is principally in the three sub more major sections will be divided in these haircuts. And the top section is majorly it's a crown. Big box section has to be take separate, and ear to ear will be take separate, and other side to be separate, and back portion at a time will be start the haircuts. So this is one of the simplest haircut who have it something wavy hair, and also they look and more uniform and more unique layers. So this is one of the best haircut for those kind of hair texture and volume at hair. So let's get dive into the directly to the haircuts, and we'll be see with the step by step each and everything in proper process. So help up to the section home, I'm just explaining you very clearly, and the back portions got released. Will start to the one length basic haircut in the beginning. So the center profile and just giving to the one length basic for before we start the layer. So that will be majorly impact to the carry forward to with the upcoming when we start to the top of that the layering, which is called a concave. So in this haircut is a major major concern will be without compromising the length. We are going to give a layers. We are not collapsing any length in this haircut for any of it. So it's exactly taking towards to the 180 degree, and rest of the hair to be going to be cut. All the hair just given to that layers. So technically it's a vertical thin sections, and according to this step by step just given to the small sections as layers. Now you can just see step by step we're just going to do. So hope you all are understand the previous videos, and these videos are also to be remain the same, but this haircut something like previously you never seen this video since long time. So finally brings back. It's one of the best video to having with something long wavy hair and something mid to dense hair. They were looking forward something like more volume and sufficient layers should be look like uniform. This is one of the best haircut for ultimately suit for them and officially, and looks good to be. Both the sides going to be finished, and after so finally I'll come to side portion. The back portions got finished. I come to the side portion. So before start to the layering, just given to the one length basic, and after that directly I'll start to the layering. The stationary guideline trick from the back, and rest of the hair emerging as layers. So in this haircut is three majorly the major sections, with simplest way we're going to be explain this haircut. And I come to another side, and same thing will following up. So but this side also going to section going to finish. I'm just going to release the top big box section. In this layering, just we're just taking something like diagonal forward. Want to create more layers in the crown portion. Apart from the back length will be remain same, and slightly will be over direction will be there. Every hair will be picking center profile. The guideline I took from the exactly the center of the crown, and rest of the hair creating to the diagonal forward the layer, something which will be bring to short to long. Both the sections got simply got finished. Now I'm just take as center profile and just like a little bit I'm just giving to the front frames, like which is called like soft feathers. So slicing down towards the layers in the forward. Because my client was expected something which frames also required something in the front shortened parts. This haircut, it will be something like that will be suits very well, and box sections and the side section also it will be going to merge when we just taking as the slicing with the front forward. Remember, after the layering this must be needed for a center profile, have to be take it separate and give it something slight forward to the slicing layers, then it will become very good finishing and it will be a lot more layers and flexibleness will be remain and length will be same. And also you can just some unique layers also you will to see in that end finish. Completely is a cut got finished. I'm just showing to the messy look before styling. You can see from the back. Now finally I started the styling over all the hair as it is. We're just willing to take with a spiral blow dry. Any doubts or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll look forward, and don't forget to share with your friends this video. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for every time to get the notifications. So I hope you all have enjoyed the video and understanding to this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please hit the like button. Minimum 500 likes I'm expecting for these videos. For upcoming videos, what kind of subject if you want, please let me know in the comments below. Ping me in the comments, else DM to me in the Instagram, and also it's mentioned for both the sides got finished. I come to the side portion. In the side portion, just giving to slightly looking like giving like forward feathering styling for technique, because we done something slicing the front face frames. So the combination of the layers, which is it really suits for these styling techniques. For the back portions, it will become flip out the layers, and the front portions will become flip in the layers. Something is really good in that when end finishing you may can just see. One side section is got finished and just another side also going to be start. The crown portion will just going to be take. Last two sections got finished, and this crown area to be majorly impact the complete of the hair sections, which just need to be something more voluminous and bouncier look and good shine. How much you can just give nice finishing on the blower and good heat, that will be looks something is bouncier look and carry the entire styling will be clean and blushy look. So finally we'll come to the front portions. The last section will be going to finish the blow dry completely. So last section also got finished. Now I'm going to be release complete the hair. So now you can just see completely the combination of layers, how was looking top to bottom, each and everything is connected and looking so blushy finishing, and the layer is completely very flexible and neat and clean. You can just see in the top to bottom complete of the releasing of layers. And just see in front is showing to some side bases as well. And finally after the texture I'll bring it to the in front frames, and we'll start to the texture now. The texture is majorly impact something the complete of the haircut, which can be carry forward the flexibility of layers, and also if you done anything is left or some few of hair also just going to be merged in this texture finishing. Everything is after styling it will visible very clean and neat, and then also you can just merge rest of the remaining hair and just give it to the finishing and overall. So the texture is majorly its impact with your layers will be visible very clearly and flexible, and the shape will be carry forward long lasting. Also the ambience will be look finishing, it looks so very beautiful and gorgeous in the finishing at all. And that is the regards we can just give into the texture finishing each and every haircut, especially the wavy and straight texture is majorly impact the haircut, entire haircut. It will be show ambience really good. The last section is going to be finish the texture, that will be a final finishing. So that will be after that we can just wind up the complete of the session. This will be final look up to the haircut completely. Hope you all understand the video, and if you really like the video please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And for more related videos in the descriptions below, please go there and link, check it out. Instagram and Facebook links are mentioned in the description below. Please go there and check it out. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until take care, and we'll be bring back with something new concept of the video. Until take care and be safe.